Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to run TikTok ads for Shopify. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be looking at the simplified version. When you navigate to the TikTok ads manager, make sure to select simplified mode on the first page when prompted. Step 1, make sure you have a business account. In order to use the TikTok ads manager, you'll need to have a business account for the platform. Switching over is both free and easy. Step 2, turn on TikTok integration for your Shopify store. If you have a Shopify store, install the TikTok app. Step 3, open the TikTok Ads Manager. Navigate over to ads.tiktok.com and log in with your TikTok business account. Step 4, when you select simplified mode, TikTok will present you with 4 options to determine a goal for your campaign. Number 1 is to increase traffic. Pick this if you're hoping to get people to your store to be potential customer. Number 2 is to drive community interaction. A good option of your goal is to simply grow your presence on TikTok. Number 3 is to generate customer leads. This method is designed to capture information from viewers via a contact form that can be used to retarget potential customers and nurture existing fans. Number 4 is to get website conversions. It's good if you're looking to drive more conversions on your store's webpage. Step 5 is to select your audience. You can select automatic audience to let TikTok decide for you, but it's also easy to add a few parameters of your own if you'd rather go to the custom audience route. You can select your audience based on gender, age, languages, and location. Based on what you select, a handy slider in the top right corner of the page will let you know the size your audience will be. You can also drill down further into the areas of interest such as clothing, cooking, or pets. You can target users who have a history of interaction with TikTok content, such as liking and commenting. Then TikTok will ask if you'd like to show TikTok ads on just TikTok or ad placement on other managers. Step 6, set your budget and schedule. You'll determine your daily budget starting at a minimum of $5 per day or $70 for lifetime. You'll then decide how long to run your campaign for. You can also select no end date to run your campaign indefinitely and stop it and stop it later on when you feel it's done its job. Number 7 is to create your ad. You have made it to the fun part. On the next screen, you can either select one of your existing TikToks to run as a video ad or upload a new one that won't appear on your regular TikTok feed. Step 8 is to submit. You did it. When you hit submit, your TikTok ad will go into a review process before it goes live to the world. That's all. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.